What is up, guys, and today we are unboxing this Norev 1/64 scale Peugeot 508. It's not the SW, it's the sedan version, normal version. There's some words there, so you can feel free to pause that. And here, in here is the barcode and stuff like that. I ordered this on eBay. This is the seller, and he does lots of other models as well. And yeah, let's start up this turntable. So here's the box. And let's unbox this now. It comes in this really nice packaging. And just take out the car. It's very detailed, this. Let me move the camera closer. Sorry for the lighting. Actually, I'll turn on the light. There. Details are really nice, and it has a sunroof on the top. I haven't looked at the base yet, actually. Here's the base. Very nice. It's molded on the mold is quite nicely as well. And I chose the sedan version because the reason is at the back. On the SW version, the rear lights are a bit darker, which you can't see on the photos. But yeah, I thought this would be smaller than 1/64 scale, but it's not the same as your average Matchbox car. I'll show you now in comparison with this GLE coupe. And here's the car. In all its glory. And I'll put it back in the box now. Don't worry about the outside noise. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.